going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today on this episode, I'm going to be talking about winning Bassmaster's fantasy fishing. Y'all stay tuned. Got a couple items I'm going to unbox. So, y'all stay tuned. We're going to go check them out. Alright guys, first package I got I'm going to show you is a rod that they sent me. Let's open this bad boy up. See what's in it. If I don't break it getting it out. Guys, they packed this thing really good. Rod stop to protect your rod. That's really nice. And then let's get into the rod itself. It's an Epon series. I picked this is a 7.3 heavy fast action. I got this to throw like jigs, Carolina rig, pitch and stick, swim bait, small swim baits, stuff like that. Guys, this is a really nice rod. It's got like a dry tack wind grip feel to it. It's very light, not heavy at all, won't wear you out all day. It says cast, catch, repeat. It's called an Epon. I don't know how you pronounce it. Epon, I think. Very nice rod. Can't ask for anything better than this, guys. Very good rod for, like I stated, small swim baits, Carolina rig, heavy jigs. Guys, we're gonna get in here out of the cold. I just wanted to come out here outside so I could unbox that rod and show you guys. We're gonna get inside and we're gonna unbox the rest of it and tell y'all how I won Bassmaster fantasy fishing. Here you go, guys. I want to give y'all a little bit better look at this leather rod sock that comes with it. I'm guessing that's what this is. It says Epon series. And it's got the model number, 7 heavy fast, cast, catch, repeat. Enigma fishing. And down here on this end, it's got a plastic. It's kind of like a whatever's on the end of your rod butts to keep it protected. It's got a zipper. It goes all the way up. Fellas, that's really nice to protect your rod. But we're going to get inside and unbox the rest of it and see what we got. We're going to talk about it. Alright guys, we come in here, got out of the wind. It's cold out there. It's like 24 degrees in East Kentucky. We're going to get into this unboxing. First thing in the box is a hat. A shirt. I don't think you all will be able to see this on the video. You might be able to. It says Lucky Fishing shirt. And on the back, it's got the Enigma fishing logo. Pack and slip, we don't need that. Enigma fishing box. An Epon series reel to match the rod, guys. I got the, I can't remember what gear ratio I got, 7:3 to 1. You see it right there on the back. God, I cannot explain to you. I wish you guys could feel this, how light this is. Let's see if it says it on the box. Got some other stuff in here. Comes with a nice little bag to keep it in if you're not going to use it right away. Comes with a limited lifetime warranty. It says you must register your reel within 30 days of purchase to activate your warranty. I just want to see what the weight on this reel is. It don't really say. I think I watched another video of these reels on YouTube and it's like 5.3 ounces or almost 6 ounces, something like that. It's got EVA foam grips. Very smooth reel. That'll match up perfect with a Epon rod. Get y'all get a little better look at it here. Alright guys, I'm going to put all this stuff up and we're going to get into how I won Bassmaster Fantasy Fishing. Also guys, I forgot to mention that this rod has carbon fiber handle. Let's see if y'all can see it, if the camera will focus. It has a click and drag, you can hear it. It does not have the click and spool tensioner. On the back of it is how you open and close it to adjust your magnetic brakes. Flip that up. Flip it down. It's got, there's the magnetic brake system. Push it back in, back up, to close. That's pretty neat in the aspect of when you're fishing, you don't flip the switch and lose your side plate in the dang lake. Alright guys, that's really neat that they sent me all those items or gift pack, whatever you want to call it. I did not win the overall Bassmaster Fantasy Fishing, but I won the Bassmasters Radio, the group. You can pick any group. There's all kinds of groups on there. You can go join. It's got AFTCO, Tackle Warehouse, all kinds of stuff. I'm in all those groups, and I'm in like 3rd, 4th place overall in those groups. But overall in fantasy fishing, guys, I am in like 6th place with 1,383 points. Guys, to select good players for fantasy fishing, you just have to study the bodies of water and find out what the strengths and weaknesses is of those pro anglers. And that's how I selected my anglers for the buckets. You got bucket A, B, C, D, and E, and I select it by strength. The St. Johns River was a grass fishery, even though there's not a lot of grass there now. I still selected grass anglers. I selected Cliff Prince. He's a local in Palatka. Guys, I picked him because he knows that river system inside and out like nobody else. That's why I chose him. Let me get my phone and we can go over who else I picked. Alright guys, let's go over the rest of the people that I picked here. I picked for bucket, let's see. For bucket B, I picked Patrick Walters. Guys, Patrick Walters has been on a hot streak ever since last year. So that's the reason I picked him, and he just come off the Eastern Opens with a top 10 finish in Florida. That's the reason I picked Patrick Walters. For bucket C, I picked Kelly J. The reason I picked Kelly J is because he had a really good finish there last year, and I figured a jerkbait would play into the factor because the cold front that hit Florida. In bucket D, there was a lot of new people, and I picked Kyle Welcher. Kyle Welcher, guys, has had a really good season last year. He fished the Opens and fished the Costas. He qualified for the FLW Tour Pro Circuit, whatever you want to call it. And he qualified for the elites, and he chose to fish the elites. So that tells you right there he's a really good angler, guys. That's the reason I picked Kyle Welcher. In bucket E, I picked Destin DeMarion. Guys, he is a local for Florida. He guides down there. He's not a local, but he guides down there in the wintertime. That's the reason I picked him. He really didn't do as good as I anticipated. He finished 34th. That's not a real bad finish, but it's not a real great finish either. At least it's not 88th though, I guess. So guys, that's how I pick my fantasy fishing team. Alright guys, I'm going to end that video. The next tournament is the Bassmaster Classic, coming up here in just a few days. I don't know when y'all see this video, but y'all better get your picks in so you all have a chance to win Bassmaster Fantasy Fishing. Guys, subscribe to my channel, and I wish y'all the best of luck.